Welcome Algebra 2 students to class today on this Wednesday the 11th. I hope you guys are doing well today, and I hope you're ready to take your test. At this time, please turn your review sheets in. Okay, that's 5 bonus points. Make sure your name is on it and turn those in. Kobe and Henry, make sure you turn those into my box, okay? Incompletes for Algebra 2. What do we got? Henry and Michael. Henry, you're usually really good about getting your homework turned in. I did not get it again today. So this was given last Friday. I'm not upset. You're a good student. Michael, I know you've been behind because of the play. I get that. But if you have this, be sure and turn this in. It was given on Friday. And I mentioned this yesterday. I did not get that from you. So if I've made a mistake somewhere, let me know, okay? All right, moving on. Let's see. Remember, guys, if you miss one day or many days, it doesn't matter unless you contact me while you are out absent. The first day you come back, if we're taking a test or a quiz, you will take it. Do not get behind when you're out absent, okay? Today we're going to be taking a Chapter 4 test, okay? So at this time, pause the video. If you're Henry or Kobe, you should have the test on your desk. Go ahead and continue to listen to this. If you're, I have some homeschool students that take this, some in Tennessee, some in Florida, actually. So, pause the video, get your test out, and then restart the video as soon as you have a test on your desk. Alright, here we go. Numbers. Now look, first of all, the first thing you need to do is turn to the second page and look at the bottom. Turn to the second page and look at the bottom. There's your matrices you're going to use. A, B, C, D, E, and F. So when number 1 says take A plus B plus C, that means matrix A plus matrix B minus matrix C. And you can see that in the back there, okay? That saves so much space on the test. Number 2, you're taking A times B. Number 3, you're taking C times D. Don't forget to run your test on 2 and 3. Number 4, find the area of the triangle whose vertices lie at those 3 ordered pairs. Okay, of course you're going to have to use matrices to do that, or a matrix. Number 5, use matrix multiplication to show if matrices E and F are truly inverses. Show the work in the space right below. Number 5, now listen. Remember, when you multiply 2 inverses together, you should get something out. Okay, so that's what you're doing there in number 6, number 5. Number 6, solve for x. X is a matrix. So you're trying to find a matrix that when you multiply it by 0, 2, 1, 4, and then subtract 10, negative 3, you should get out negative 8, 5. Okay, so solve that matrix equation. Number 7, use Cramer's rule to solve for y. You're not solving for x and y. Save yourself time. You're just solving for y, and you must use Cramer's rule. You must show work on a separate sheet of paper. Number 8, you're just solving for z, not x, not y. So solve for z using Cramer's rule. Number 8, solve for x and y. Number 9, solve for x and y. Number 10, find the determinant of E. Listen, by expanding on the second column. Okay? Show all the work in the space below, so you've got to show work on that. Find the determinant of matrix E by expanding on the second column. Lastly, does F have an inverse matrix? Now, remember, only square matrices have inverse matrices, but not every square matrix has an inverse matrix. So does F have an inverse matrix? Well, there's something you can do. It has to do with the determinant, and you've got to think about that and decide whether it does, and then tell me how you knew that, okay? That's it for today. Please get started on your test. You must finish them today. So if you got to stay after school, whatever, you got to finish them today. Have a great day. Contact me if you have any questions at all.